The stomata control transpiration as well as the exchange of gases within the plant. The begonia plant, like most land plants, has more stomata on the underside of its leaf than on the top. The stomata control transpiration as well as the exchange of gases within the plant. The stoma is like a pore. Two cells called guard cells form a pair of lips around the stoma and can open and close in response to the amount of water vapor in the plant, the light intensity, and the carbon dioxide levels. Behind the stomata, there are air spaces that are saturated with water. A continuous chain of water molecules runs from the cells of the root hairs to these air spaces in the leaf, which form a link with the stomatal pores. Evaporation of water from leaf surfaces through stomatal pores provides the momentum for the water to keep moving from root to leaf.
Here is the leaf of a flowering dicot. The leaf structure relates to its particular functions. The flat, wide shape of this leaf makes it a good solar collector. But such a broad surface places it at greater risk of drying up from evaporation, so this leaf is protected. Its skin has an inner layer, the epidermis, which is covered by waxy cells called the cuticle. The cuticle prevents uncontrolled evaporation from the leaf, so the leaf's interior can remain moist and alive. No leaf, however, is a closed system. Leaves manufacture water vapor as a product of transpiration. That is, the passage of watery vapor through a membrane or pores. So leaves have tiny valves called stomata on their underside. The stomata control how gases pass between the plant and the air. The size of the openings is governed by how much water is present. When a plant has ample water, the stomata stay open, but a lack of water causes stomata to close to prevent further moisture loss. The stomata essentially act like water valves for the plant. The valve mechanism relies on two cells called guard cells. They are located on both sides of each individual stoma. The presence of water causes the guard cells to swell, and thus the stoma opens. A lack of water causes the guard cells to relax, and the stoma closes. The epidermis covers and protects the middle tissue of a leaf called the mesophyll. Several special pigments reside here, particularly in the chloroplasts that contain green chlorophyll. Chlorophyll is such a bright green that it can hide other colors present in the leaf, such as the red from anthocyanin, a variety of shapes. Ferns have delicate, moist fronds. A cactus, by comparison, desert climate, better than a maple and many pines.